At Orbbo, botanical ingredients are produced through disciplined manufacturing systems designed to protect natural bioactive compounds while meeting international quality and safety standards. Our neem leaf powder is manufactured within a controlled, traceable production environment developed to deliver reliable purity, consistency, and formulation performance for nutraceutical, herbal, and functional product applications. The process begins with sourcing neem leaves from verified cultivation zones where sustainable farming practices and responsible harvesting methods are followed. Leaves are collected at carefully defined maturity stages to support optimal levels of naturally occurring bioactive constituents, including Azadirachta, related constituents, and limoniodes. Only fresh, healthy leaves free from contamination are selected for processing. Before entering production, every batch undergoes a structured quality screening process that includes physical inspection, removal of foreign particles, visual conformity evaluation, moisture level verification. Material that does not meet Orbbo's internal standards is removed prior to processing to maintain quality integrity. The approved leaves pass through multi-stage cleaning systems designed to remove surface impurities while protecting delicate plant compounds. This stage establishes a hygienic processing baseline. Drying is conducted under calibrated temperature and airflow parameters to prevent thermal degradation, maintain phytochemical stability, preserve natural color profile, achieve target moisture levels. Water activity is stabilized to support product shelf life and microbial safety. Once dried, the neem leaves are processed through food-grade pulverization systems engineered to minimize heat generation during grinding. The powder is then passed through precision mesh sieving systems to achieve standardized particle size according to application requirements. To ensure product safety and purity, advanced sterilization methods are applied to eliminate microbial contaminants while maintaining the botanical's natural composition. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, moisture levels, and bioactive content, ensuring compliance with international quality benchmarks. The finished organic neem leaf powder is packed under controlled conditions, stored with care, and distributed to markets worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo,